at the Natural History Museum. Absolutely super cool and gorgeous. And there is a stuffed panda. We're going to check out everything else. At the Natural History Museum, in your section, Wells, marine science. Let's go check out in here. All the corals. Very cool. The giant squid. Derp. Derp. All the prehistoric animals, all the prehistoric dinos. If only they added them to Ark. Whales. You must be a whale biologist. Whales. These all around. Monkeys. Beautiful, gorgeous scene. I do not want to drop my phone. It's making me nervous. Okay. Do 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 do. Boop boop.
This gallery featured flash photography lighting.